I am on my way to being a successful Canadian immigrant.
I'm a successful Canadian immigrant.
We're successful Canadian immigrants.
I am a successful Canadian immigrant.
I am a successful Canadian immigrant.
My name is Sospita Gatobu. I come from Kenya, where I graduated with my bachelor's in education and my master's in communication. I'm a student at the University of Waterloo doing my PhD in health communication. I intend to be a researcher. I chose to come to Canada because there are opportunities here to develop myself and my family, and also to get international level education. The first thing I did when I came to Canada was to research on the services that were available in the community. I wanted to get as much information as I could on the opportunities that were available here. I was able to find the Kitchener Waterloo Multicultural Center and attend a job search workshop where I was trained in many areas, some of which include how to look for a job, how to market myself, how to develop networks and linkages, and how to be useful in the community. At the job search workshop, I learned how my international qualifications could meet the Canadian expectations. I also learned how to market myself, how to develop networks, and how to be a useful member of the community. For a person planning to immigrate to Canada, I would tell them to prepare themselves psychologically to fit in the new culture, to meet new experiences, and to be prepared to start from somewhere. The best part of being in Canada is that there are more opportunities here than I could have had in my country.
My name is Jenny Zhang. I'm from China. I graduated from Lanzhou University with a bachelor degree of computer engineering. Now I work for the Kitchener City Hall Finance Department as an accounts receivable clerk. At first, I came to Canada as a visitor. After 1 year, I found that I love this place because I love the diversity of the culture. People from different countries can live here peacefully and happily. Also, I found that there are lots of community resources that help newcomers. To be successful in Canada, I need to improve my English first. So I took ESL classes offered by Conestoga College. I also visited public library very often. Every time I borrowed more than 50 books. All the books are from children's section because I believe if you cannot communicate with children, then you cannot communicate with adults. So I read them very aloud to my little boy, also to myself. I would suggest for a newcomer, I know most of them, their English is very good, but some of them speaking is not good enough. So I suggest they improve their English first, and also they need to set a goal and make every effort to reach their goal. Remember, take advantage of the community resources. They provide amazing support for the new immigrants.
My name is Ebru. I came from Istanbul and I was trained as an industrial engineer.
My name is Ibrahim. I'm coming from Istanbul, Turkey as well. I'm trained in mechanical engineering, and also I have an MBA degree. We own our own business, Esthe Chocolates. We manufacture the best chocolate truffles and shipping around Canada.
We choose to come to Canada because we're looking for a better lifestyle, better education system for our kids, and better opportunities for ourselves. This is the best country to live in. My advice to a newcomer would be get out of their comfort zone, volunteer at the community, and take advantage of the service providers.
My advice for the newcomers is go out and take all the services they can find, because in Canada there's a lot of services is helping the newcomers, and they can search more opportunities and spend more time out there than in their houses.
my name is Ramya. I'm from India. I have a bachelor's in computer science and engineering. I am a software engineer. I chose to come to Canada because of my marriage. My husband was already working here, so I chose to accompany him. To be successful in Canada, I attended a couple of job search workshops. I attended Skills Unlimited program at Focus for Ethnic Women, and I was a part of internship program at Conestoga College and eventually landed up this job. My advice to newcomers is the following. First is network. Network is all what you want, so definitely attend the job search workshops in the community. Be patient in the interview process. Be flexible in the job which you wish to pursue. Last but not least, I should say always go for what you want and be persistent in what job you pursue.
My name is Angelina Candotti. I'm from Switzerland and I was trained as an administrative assistant. I chose Canada because it's a wonderful country. I have family here, it's multicultural and gives you lots of opportunities to be successful and fulfill your dreams. I believe I'm successful because I'm multilingual and I took advantage of all the programs service providers offers to new immigrants. I advise every newcomer to take advantage of all the programs offered by the service providers for new immigrants, to build a new network, to talk to the people and take every opportunity to gain work experience.